Hello everyone. Here we are on a Thursday afternoon, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It is the 12th of December 2019. And we're flying around the house on Clearview Road that's getting the addition put on. And you can see some snow laying in the shadows down there. Didn't get melted yet. And they're making some progress. They got some more stud work put up around some other walls there. So the usual applies. Click down in the comment section or go down to the comment section and click on the video down there to see the previous one and see what changes happened since the last time. Have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.